Okay, we're going to figure out the inverse Laplace transform of Ln of s squared plus 9 over s squared plus 1. Well, you know the deal. This is just like the previous video, and you can watch that for the detailed explanation right here. First of all, I'm going to use the Ln property to break this apart. So we will have the inverse Laplace transform of Ln of s squared plus 9 and then minus Ln s squared plus 1, like this. And you know we should work with the derivative inside of the s world so that we know this and that much better for the inverse. Well, to do so, first of all, let me write this down again. The inverse Laplace transform of this Ln of s squared plus 9 and then minus Ln s squared plus 1. All right? Here we go. I am going to differentiate with respect to s inside here. But be sure you multiply by negative 1 over t in the front. And that's what this is all about. Once again, we know we have a better hope to work with the derivative inside here. I can do the derivative as long as I multiply by negative 1 over t as the result, right? So this is going to be negative 1 over t, and we still have the inverse Laplace transform. We have to do the derivative first, right? Right here, the derivative of Ln of something, you know it's going to be 1 over something, so we will have 1 over the same thing. S squared plus 9, right? S squared plus 9. I shall make the s in red as usual. However, inside here, the derivative of s squared plus 9 is what? It's a 2s, so I have to put on a 2 and then an s. And then minus the derivative of this is going to be over, something over that, s squared plus 1. And then I have to multiply by 2s again. So we have the 2 and then the s like that, which is pretty cool, right? Right. Here we have negative 1 over t. And now, are we ready to do any of the inverse Laplace yet? I think let's go ahead and factor out the 2 and then write this into the perfect square form, right? So let me factor out the 2. Right here, we will have negative 2 then over t, all right? And then let me just rewrite this once again. Right here, I will have s over s squared plus 3 squared for the 9, and then minus s only on the top over s squared plus 1 square, right? Right, I'm ready. This is going to be negative 2 over t, open parentheses. S on the top and the s squared on the bottom, you know this is the cosine deal, right? This is going to give us cosine of 3t. So let's put that down right here. Minus cosine, again, because s on the top, s squared on the bottom. And this is going to be the 1, right? 1t, which is just t. And that's pretty much it. Well, if you would like, go ahead, distribute. Let's put on the top first, which is negative 2 cosine 3t, and then this is going to be plus 2 cosine t, like that. And I think the answer in the back of the book, they put on the positive term first. Doesn't really matter, right? And then O over t, like that. And you know what I'm going to say. That's it.